Greeting, garden enthusiast. Are you dreaming of a garden filled with juicy, sweet strawberries? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I will give you some helpful tips to help you get started. To get the best quality strawberries, the plants need plenty of sunlight. Look for a spot where they can get at least 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Shady areas will hinder the development of sugars and increase the incidence of fungal diseases. A light sandy loam soil is ideal for strawberry plants, but if your soil is heavier, i.e. higher clay content, you may need to plant on 6-inch ridges if drainage is inadequate. Good drainage is essential to prevent root rot diseases. If the area where you plan to plant strawberries is currently lawn, you should check for white grubs and treat if necessary. Otherwise, they will feed on the roots and damage and kill the strawberry plants. Strawberry plants will perform best on soils with sufficient organic matter. Aim for a minimum of 3%, but 6% is ideal, and you can find out the level of organic matter in your soil by taking a soil test into your local university extension office. To increase the levels of organic matter in the soil, sow a cover crop the year before putting in the plants, or add compost or composted cow or horse manure. The next thing we need to be concerned about is the alkalinity or the acidity of the soil, which we call pH. Strawberries perform best in a pH range of 5.3 to 6.5. The pH can be lowered by using sulfur, but this should be done a year before planting. To raise the pH, lime should be added. Again, you can consult your local university extension personnel for assistance on how much to add to make the adjustments. Another thing you should consider is access to water. If you're planning to grow a large number of plants, it is important to have a close water source to supplement rainfall. Now let's talk about what to avoid. Strawberries are susceptible to a soil disease called verticillium, a fungus that can spread from plants in the tomato family. So don't plant strawberries where you've recently grown tomatoes, eggplants, potatoes, or peppers. Also avoid areas near trees such as maples, which have suffered from this disease. Finally, you need to protect your investment. Deer and rabbits love to eat strawberry plants, so fencing is a must. Consider using deer netting or a taller fence to keep them out. And there you have it. With a little planning and care, you can enjoy homegrown strawberries in no time. Remember, the key to a successful strawberry patch is to plan ahead. Be sure to check out my other videos covering additional tips on growing strawberries. This is Gary. Bye, and happy gardening.